Hey, I'm back. Um, so this is the tofu. This how it looks like that. So these are my cupcakes. Mm. So they're still warm though. You know you have to let cupcakes completely um cool down. So I'm probably gonna end up icing these mm, tomorrow. Mm. Tofu is good. I don't know what people talking about. Oh no, it's nasty. Now, if you taste it and you don't like it, maybe it wasn't cooked right. But to me, tofu is good. Yeah, I think that's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna ice these bad boys tomorrow. Let me see. Yeah, I'm gonna ice them tomorrow. I was thinking about mix. I think I'm gonna mix it. I'm gonna mix the chocolate and the pink, but yeah, they're still not fully they're not fully cooled down. So basically, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna show y'all what to do. Oh, it's over here. So basically, what you want to do is take some saran wrap. Saran wrap and put it over the cupcake. Yeah. So guys, we're gonna talk about that one too. It was this I think he was Spanish. I forgot what his name was. But they said he was a YouTuber. And him and his girlfriend, they've been together for 2 years. I think they said they was together for 2 years. So they had went on this boat cruise or whatever. Yeah. So they had went on this boat cruise and they was on a boat cruise. They was chilling. He even did some vlogging. They had some video of him vlogging, probably talking about the cruise. Now I don't know if he vlogged when the certain situation happened, but if he did, yeah, that's kind of embarrassing. That could really mess with somebody's mental. because he wanted to be exclusive with her. Now, the lady, she was like an Instagram model looking type of woman, and she basically told him, no, I don't want it like that. Like, obviously they weren't on the same page. Obviously he thought more of her than she did of him. And that's why I'm telling you, when you get in a certain kind of relationship, guys, you want to make sure that you guys are on the same page. Because some men can lie and some women can lie. Who knows what she was telling him. But anyway, he thought he wanted to be exclusive. He told her, like, I wanted to just be me, like exclusive, like us be exclusive and be together. And she was like, no, that's not how I want it. So they was like, after that happened, that allegedly he jumped off the cruise ship like 200 feet, and they haven't been able to find his body. And she said she was there around the time she was with him when they started arguing and stuff like that. But yeah, they definitely need to, this shouldn't be no closed case. Like, they definitely need to investigate what happened, pull some of the camera footage. I mean, it's a lot of stuff with these investigations and stuff like that. It's like they can do the easiest thing, but it's just they want to play around and just, I don't know if they want, maybe they want to get more hours, because I don't know, do they work on salary? Because I know some of these people, they work on hours, so if they hurry up and get it solved, they ain't gonna make no hours to make no money. So I think that's what has to do a lot with it. If they are paid on salary, that's something different. But I'm sure that some of them get paid hourly. So they're just probably like, let's just beat around the bush a little bit so we can at least get in these 8 hours. You know, yeah, they could do it, because with some situations that I hear and some stories that I hear, I was like, y'all could have went over there and did it like this. Like, come on, y'all could have did that already, and you're not doing it. So, and you hear about other people's family members, and they like, the cops was treating us wrong, and they was doing this, and they wasn't doing what they was supposed to. Well, maybe that's because they have an hourly wage, and they need to make those hours to bring home that money. That's just like at any job. You want to make the hours, right? If they send you home early, you ain't gonna make the hours to make the paycheck to pay your rent or whatever else you need to pay. But yeah, they're definitely going to have to investigate that. Do I think that she could have pushed him? It's possible. I don't know. I wasn't there. Only if there was some cameras that seen what happened, they could pull the cameras. But does she look like the type that would do something like that? Looking from her pictures, no. She doesn't look like the type that would do that. But we can't go off of looks. So I can't really say if she pushed him. I can't really say that she didn't push him, and I can't say that she did push him. But hopefully, they'll find that out. They'll find out what's going on with that. Then we have the update on the Jeffrey Epstein story, which they said that they're going to expose some names on there, but they said they're going to wait 30 days because some people that's on the list don't want to be named off on the list. And if that's the case, if people can not be named on the list for things like that have to do with essaying and stuff like that, and graping and stuff like that, then you gotta let everybody get off the hook. Then if they come back and say, hey, there's some names on that list that we're not going to reveal, then hey, everybody, then you can't reveal then all the people that you revealed on those other SA charges and stuff like that, you have to take all that back. They can sue you now. They should be able to sue you because everybody that's on that list should be exposed. Okay, there ain't no, it's not no, oh no, we can't do it because of these certain situations. No, it don't work like that. We want to know everybody's name that was on that list and that was over there partying. Now, they said that just because they released the names don't mean that people was in there doing certain stuff or things like that. But that don't make no sense, because if that's what he was doing over there, why would you think people would go over there and they wouldn't know what's going on? There's no way that all those people on that list did not know what was going on over there with Jeffrey Epstein. There's no way that some of them didn't know what was going on. You can't tell me that they don't. So anyway, that's what I'm gonna do with these cupcakes. Because yeah, they're definitely not I think I can put these in the refrigerator to cool them down. I think, yeah, I'm gonna do that to cool them down, because they'll still be nice and moist. So guys, I'm about to get on up out of here. I gotta straighten up the living room again, and I have to get the bed made, because I know when my husband get home, he's going to be really tired. So that's what I'm about to do. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Like and subscribe my channel. Share it with whoever you think likes cupcakes. And just share this video, because you should. It's a good video. You should share it. So guys, thank you so much. I love you guys so much. And thank you for joining me. And I will see you guys in another video. Bye-bye.